In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Capitec account to your PayPal account using the Capitec app. If you've never done this before, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, so the process is simple and easy to follow. First, open the Capitec app on your mobile device and log in using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen with several options related to your account. You can either scroll down to find the transfer options, or tap on the Transact button at the bottom of the screen to access all money transfer functions. Next, select the option to transfer money to another bank. This is important because PayPal transfers are processed through their linked bank account, not directly within Capitec. Make sure you do not choose options for transferring within Capitec or to beneficiaries in the same bank. Once you've selected other bank, you'll need to enter the recipient details. For PayPal, this usually means entering the account number and the bank associated with your PayPal account. Choose the account type, which is typically a current account, and then enter the amount you want to send. You may also have the option to add a reference or description. It's a good idea to include your PayPal email address, so the payment can be correctly linked to your PayPal account. After entering all the details, carefully review everything to make sure it's correct. Once you're confident, authorize the transfer using your biometric login or remote PIN. Keep in mind that Capitec may charge a small fee for transfers to other banks, and processing times can vary. The transfer might take a few hours or up to a day or two, depending on when the payment is made. Once the transfer is confirmed, the money will be sent to the bank linked to your PayPal account, and it should reflect in your PayPal balance shortly. You can repeat this process anytime you want to fund your PayPal account, as long as you have the correct bank details and enough funds in your Capitec account. And that's it. Using these steps, you can easily send money from your Capitec account to your PayPal account directly through the Capitec app.